is Alice.
Hello, my name is Maria.
Today we want to show you how to make a furoshiki bag.
Just like this one. So let's start. Let's put our cloth flat on the table in this position. And now we can fold it as a triangle. Like this. You take it like this. And you do a knot. First knot.
Other side.
Of course, like this. Now let's put the knots inside, okay? And let's fold our furoshiki. Let's turn it over like this. Yes. And now we can do another knot. Like this.
And
And
other little knots
to finish,
to finish. My little bag is ready.
my little bag is ready too.
So
See?
cute.
It's cute. Não, porque ficou assim.
Mas é cute. Mas tá bonitinho.
So now we've got two furoshiki bags. And now we can go shopping.
We hope you enjoy this video.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.